Hello traders, this is Ala Peters from Fibonacci Trading Institute. In this webinar, I will teach you how to trade with institutional precision using the Alpha Fibonacci system traded on Wall Street. But first, let me remind you very important disclaimers. Every single thing you will see in this webinar is to educate you about the markets. None of it constitutes financial advice. My employees, my team, no one that you will see in this webinar is registered with CFTC or SEC. All the content of all the products, courses, and software for educational purposes only. Nothing construed as solicitation to buy or sell any instrument. Past performance not indicative of futures results, and all software demonstrated as is. And I hope by now you understand danger of trading randomly, speculatively. I hope you understand importance of proper, intelligent, strategic trading. Investment is not for everyone. Trading is not for everyone. None of the students had ever been paid for any of their success stories, for any of their testimonials. And students' performance does not guarantee anyone else's results. This is simply required disclaimer. In this webinar, we will cover about Alpha Fibonacci Trading System. We will go over multiple examples from day trading futures to long-term trading stocks, Forex, options. You will see Alpha Fibonacci Trading System in current and prior markets. You will witness how students and graduates trade with institutional precision. And most importantly, how you can trade with Alpha Fibonacci institutional precision. Let's start, shall we? Briefly about myself. I have multiple degrees, I speak multiple languages. I invested in stock market, real estate businesses. I worked in top medical institution on the planet. I utilize all the skills from my prior ventures, from my prior professional life in educating traders on Wall Street and globally since 2011. When 2004 I was introduced to Fibonacci, I became fascinated. I was very successful and I was interested in the markets. When markets were crashing in 2008, it was very clear that nothing more powerful than Fibonacci, because stocks with the most powerful fundamentals were crashing completely. Exact same thing happened a couple of months ago, hasn't it? When spectacular solid stocks completely have been obliterated, reminding you that trading on the news is not a brilliant thing to do. Trading on the price and Fibonacci, as you will see next, is. The first strategy I developed in 2008 remains core of the method, traded on Wall Street and in 55 countries. 2011 I founded Fibonacci Trading Institute and Fibonacci Trading YouTube channel that now has thousands of videos, 3,000 subscribers, and since 2011 I have mentored traders from beginner to hedge fund manager. I constantly develop new strategy, new systems, new software. I love changing lives. I do so daily. Those who are serious about trading, those who are making an effort, are my friends for life, as you will see next, as you witness in the trading room daily. So here's a couple of photos from a couple of students. You see students inviting me to their weddings. I fly globally. I meet with traders all the time because I love what I do, because it is extremely powerful. Every single trader trades different account. Every single trader trades different instrument. And majority of the students you see in this photo, I worked this month. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System is a complete semi-automated system with multi-market scanner and Alpha Fibonacci software. Here's the system in front of you on Dow right now in the live markets. This morning when we came to the markets, we discussed the danger of overextended rally. This is proprietary Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone that had been identified days in advance. This is proprietary Alpha Fibonacci support that previously was critical resistance that's also identified hours and days in advance. If I would convert this chart right now to 5-minute chart, this is a stunning lesson. Nothing will ever tell you where top of the market is. Alpha Fibonacci does this every single day. This was market open. How is it possible that we are coming out with the worst economic data pre-market, with the most shrinked economic market data ever due to current crisis? How is it possible that at the market open, market rallying? Simple. Alpha Fibonacci support is present. You never, ever, ever short into. This is exactly where buyers came from. All identified in advance, never after the fact. I would not be in this business for 10 years if system was not good. So if you know in advance where to buy, where to sell from, as scanner giving you the alert right now, you are in excellent shape. You are not speculating. You are not gambling in the markets. And it doesn't matter if you trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, any chart. Identical accuracy applies. Buyers stepped in from key Alpha Fibonacci support, not the place to short. And if I convert you to 15-minute chart, this identical formula remains. This is the power and this is precision of the method. And if you're adding institutional trends, you start enjoying trading. It's black and white. Power of the scanner, power of pure price, and Fibonacci is critical. A system consists only of two components: indicator-free price and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci retracements. Nothing else needed ever on all instruments. So this is the example of short on S&P mini future with Alpha Fibonacci system. System identifies precise stop, precise targets. Power of the system, you're shorting from critical resistance level and you're buying from critical support level. This is a system this morning. This shows you clearly. Do not ever buy into Alpha Fibonacci resistance. Look to buy from Alpha Fibonacci support. Scanner giving you alert, enjoy. Black and white. Doesn't matter if you trade 1 minute, 5-minute, monthly, weekly charts. Choice is yours. You decide. As predictive, precise synchronicity of natural Fibonacci symmetry is the only natural sequence that forms all markets. Pretty please, do not ever, never, ever, ever confuse Fibonacci with indicators. It has nothing in common. Fibonacci is natural, mathematical sequence. Indicators delayed and artificial. Fibonacci predictive, Fibonacci precise. Indicators delayed, artificial. And if I would bring up exact same chart to your attention, you will see Fibonacci is not found under indicators, found under drawing tool. but how to use one, how to apply one, what strategy to use is what? Alpha Fibonacci system based on 16 years of work of pure price and Fibonacci, 32 strategies later, 12 sets of software, method traded globally with power and precision of Fibonacci, precise, predictive, synchronicity. Here's a couple of posts from Trading Room, from my incredible traders, from those who are serious about trading, from those who are making an effort. Ken, week starts out 27 for 27 Bitcoin. Traders supporting Ken. Brad, as he says, no trades today, this week 4 times the average due to increased size and lots. Done. This was Tuesday. As he says, 100% this month so far. I will show you where I found videos and podcasts with these traders. And this is what plays out in the room every day. As Brad says, 30 minutes trading day. But I enjoy being here with everyone. Emmanuel reports 1 hour per day trading day. Following day, Ken, 32 for 32 trades. Game changer is right about Alpha Fibonacci system. Gene updating everyone. 55 points pre-market. AMD, SPY, Nasdaq, Baidu using butterfly risk reversal option with Alpha Fibonacci system. Jennifer, Emmanuel brought his wife to the course. Gold, S&P. Today, day 3. Gene again updating his option results. Ken is done 39 for 39, 100% month. That's it. It's just less than 3 hours with Alpha Fibonacci traders. Trading room open maximum 1 hour a day. You do not ever need to spend more than 1 hour a day in front of the screen. That's it. So, this is very important moment. Someone asked in the room, how come system is so expensive? Which is really interesting question. And this is what people and my students replied. The best money I've ever spent, like spending $10 for a Rolls Royce. You learn to fish for life. Thousands and thousands of posts ever. You make it possible. This is a dream. This is what happens when someone asks a question. This is a statement only in the last few days. So, this is a reason why there is so much positivity, why there is so much power, as this is strategic, precise, institutional trend system that removes speculation and allows trader to play markets as strategic Alpha Fibonacci chess. Shall we take a look what played out during extreme markets recently? So you can see the power of the system and why those who traded are so excited. Here's Dow. Dow selling off. Yes, everyone in panic. Everyone, world is ending, panic is on. We're having a ball because crashes opportunity for intelligent trader. What do we know? Bright green line is a critical Alpha Fibonacci support. This is institutional chart. And when market starts selling off and starts coming to crucial support, intelligent trader very excited, knowing extremely well. This is critical support. Look to buy from. Black Monday is on March 23rd. Is it possible this is stunning place to buy from? Of course. Critical support. Despite worst numbers, this is support traders. This is where intelligent trader looks to buy the bottom. And that's where market rallied from. Anyone surprised? If trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It does not. News structured by market makers against trader, against investor. March 23rd, Black Thursday, was a stunning place to buy from. Right now, institutional rally overextended. Intelligent trader knows this will be critical Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. No speculation here, no panic. Intelligent trader is prepared, knows what to pay attention to next. But this is your day trading chart. You utilize identical strategy on day trading charts. You do not wait for days, weeks, and months. You use this, and if you trade 1 minute, why not? Of course, identical strategies apply. When price comes to reversal zone, expect reversal. This is not the place to buy. But when price reaches Alpha Fibonacci support, as it played out this morning at the market open, this is a place you want to buy from. That's what played out this morning on 1 minute and higher, and that's what played out on Black Thursday on March 23rd institutional chart. No panic for intelligent trader, no need ever. And that's the power of strategic system. Intelligent trader understands trading with institutions is critical. Trading against them is not an option. So Jeff 76, as you can see, he stopped by the room recently. He finished the course in 2018, and you can see as he reports. Pay attention to what Allah says, buy low, sell high at targets. And he says he may be spending maximum 2 hours in front of the screen every week trading Apple, Costco, SHW. Reporting Costco was 85%, Apple 40%, Microsoft 120%. 76 years old, fired his financial advisor, managing his own portfolio. That's it. If Jeff can do it, so can you. Trading this. Apple, 2015. Apple at critical support at 93. This is exact same place where Dow is now. My goodness, is it possible that price action exactly the same? Of course. Identical meaning, identical power. This playing out in front of you right now in the live market. Stunning place to buy Dow from, as Apple in 2015-16, but Apple comes out with the worst earnings ever in 13 years. I presented a hedge fund convention, and what do I say? The most important part, if Alpha Fibonacci support will be present. If not, Apple will crash. If yes, Apple will rally despite worst earnings in 13 years. This is posted on my LinkedIn profile, on YouTube channel, been publicized in so many publications. Everyone in shock when despite worst earnings, Apple rallied, doubled in value. What do you see next? 194 and reversal zone to follow. After earnings, Apple reaches next level. After earnings, Apple reaches the following level, the reversal zone. What do you see at the bottom? Please tell me, do you see 140? Apple in free fall. There is no bad news until Apple reaches 200. Apple crashes and sells off. What does intelligent trader knows? 140 is a stunning place to buy from. It's the ultimate bottom. That's what intelligent trader is excited about. all in advance, never after the fact. It's black and white, traders. If you know price and Alpha Fibonacci system, you have opportunity to buy ultimate low and sell ultimate high, or close your position without pain, as Jeff had done at 76. This is Apple in the last few months, skyrocketing back up from ultimate bottom. Does it mean you can short randomly? Of course not. But this is what played out at the time of the crisis. This stunning pullback. And when Apple does this, no one should be surprised. My goodness, again, that bright pink line, that critical support, stunning place to buy from. This is just played out at the end of March. Identical opportunity as played out during the worst earnings in 2015. And what Apple will do next, intelligent trader well prepared for. Price keeps repeating identical price action patterns. No speculation here. 2015, identical Alpha Fibonacci support as just played out again and again and again and again. So, day trading not your cup of tea. Use this system for long-term positions. With Alpha Fibonacci Trading System, trader can trade any instrument from FAN, 5, 15, S&P, NQ, Dow, Bitcoin, Euro, Pound, Apple, Amazon, Gold, monthly. Let's review more examples, shall we? Here's the short on gold. We have a couple of phenomenal gold traders. When S&P dies out, traders move to gold. Precise entry, precise stop, precise targets. No speculation here. And if you would like to trade them both, of course, many traders do, from very small account to institutional size account. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System identifies precise entry stops and targets in advance, institutional trend inception to institutional trend reversals in advance, on day trading charts, minutes and hours in advance, on long-term charts, days, weeks, and months in advance. Here are more examples. Pound. This is chart on pound that was present in the trading room since 2011. Do you remember how critical pink line is on Apple and on Dow now? This is crucial Alpha Fibonacci support. Takes pound 7 years to break through this support. Pound reaches next level. There is no surprise, all identified in advance. Shock or not. When pound reaches ultimate reversal zone, we have Brexit in England. Well, there is a good news on pound. Did we miss something? Of course not. There is no good news. The good news is its ultimate bottom, its Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Look to buy from. And when 2019 pound sold off again and reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, this is what pound staged again and again and again. There is no good news in Britain. How come it keeps rallying? Because it's critical, crucial support. And if you understand what just played out on pound, here's another stunning example. pound rally despite COVID crisis in Britain due to Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. That's it. This is crucial support, but we knew this years in advance. 106 traders, 106 is out, 89 cents are next. Chances of pound ever reaching 2100 in the next 50 years is practically none. We Americans no longer poor, as dollar skyrocketing, pound and euro not doing so well. Reason for pound rally: 106 traders present in the trading room since 2011. Always one step at a time. And that's identical rule that applies to day trading. So if I would take you back to any chart you choose to trade, to remind you, if I convert this chart to 5, this was the top. Identical is reversal zone on pound. Identical is reversal zone on Apple. Price action is identical. If you understand this, if you master this, with the help of very powerful system, you can trade anything. Just obey, support, never ignore that, and never ever ever enter into brick wall, Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. And that's the power of the system. Trade it all over the world on any instrument. Trade on Dow has precise entry, stop, and target. And when trade reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, Dow collapses, as expected in advance. So, when we have institutional trading morning, when we are at institutional levels, workday lasts less than 2 minutes, less 26 points, Rob 15, Brett 3, Emmanuel 30, Jean 20. This is the power. After 10 minutes after market open, traders are done. These are quality traders who are adding lot size, not number of trades. With Dow, 90% of the time, you are done within 30 minutes of market open, especially when markets are as dangerous as they are now. Trading with institutions is a core of the Alpha Fibonacci method. Trading with institutional trends and volume is key to trading success. This is what produces consistent results. In day and position trading, this is the most important part of successful trading. All trend reversals, all trend inceptions, crucial in advance as key points of entries on any instrument. So, let's walk down memory lane to the last month, shall we? So you can remember extreme volatility at extreme times. This is S&P. Market halted. Do you recognize identical Alpha Fibonacci support as on Apple, as on Dow, as on pound? How is it possible? On the news, market is halted. On the chart, market is rallying. It was happening non-stop. How many points did Dow skyrocketed post-halt from Alpha Fibonacci support? Thousands and thousands of points. If Alpha Fibonacci support is present, it kept playing out non-stop for days. This rallies. And that's the power of the system from 2700 to 2880. Has anyone seen this on the news? Of course not. This was missed. But this was playing out on the charts at all times. And when price crashes to the bottom, what did you see? March 12th, flawless rally. 100 plus points, 150, 180 post hold on S&P. And when S&P reaches ultimate bottom, this is where bullish rally takes off from. 2200 on S&P, 22,000 on Dow. These were historical events in historical markets, which intelligent trader took advantage of, knowing quite well. Trading on the news, never an option. Trading with the price is the only option. Dow have done exact same thing. Time and time again, identical rallies, non-stop. In bearish markets, in extreme volatility markets, we will always have vicious, bullish rallies. And that's non-stop on Dow as well. And that's ultimate bottom. And that's what continued playing out. And what intelligent trader took advantage from. Institutional bottom is key of the method. And that's what played out in our trading room in the month of March. Identical accuracy, identical precision applies to Amazon. Here's Amazon since 2018. The most dangerous place in the market mid-trend when Amazon is stuck between critical support and critical resistance. Market is very sluggish, but what do you see ahead? Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. So how is it possible that there is only excellent earnings but Amazon crushing $700 per share? Is it possible because reversal zone is reached? Of course. And this continued playing out on Amazon again and again and again. Rally reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversals on Amazon, sells off $400 per share, 2019. Non-stop. These are the events on any chart you trade. So if you're wondering what to do with position on Amazon, if you start stressing out, it's because price not far off from reversal zone. But doesn't mean you have to speculate, you have to exit randomly, of course not. You need to understand how to manage your trade, how to manage your position. This is Amazon now. Reversal zone 2650. Amazon been stuck here for the last 8 weeks, doing nothing. And that's the power of the system. If you understand how crucial these levels are, if you understand how manage your position, if you stop trading on the news and start paying attention to price, you stop losing sleep, you stop losing money. All you have to do, identify if you want today or position trade. And that's the key and core of the method that show you clearly institutional trading ranges, independent of news and earnings, delivers consistent results, gives peace of mind and clarity, erases taking speculative trades at speculative places in the market. So, you can trade any instrument you choose, stress-free. System identifies ultimate entry and targets on any instrument, any time frame, stops a waste of time staring at the chart. System available with software for Ninja 8 or available without software for any platform as well. So, here are more and more statements and emails from Alpha Fibonacci traders. Tens of thousands. Very important documentary coming soon. As you can see, traders all over the world recently. Marco in the middle of crisis in Italy, killing it on gold. He became qualified to trade with one-step trader, which is different than top-step trader. Khalid says, thank you, my first trade 20 points. Traders supporting Khalid, Jean reporting Dow bullish trade. Jean is thanking me for teaching him how to fish. David tried for 5 years, trading it all, gold, oil, S&P, Dow. And that's completely from Alpha Fibonacci teaching. And this is very, very cute quote, our yesterday's newsletter, as Marco joking. I have to order a new Lamborghini for David. Please tell me the color. How adorable. Italian. No matter how bad crisis in Italy. And that's the power of positive, precise, powerful community and system. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System software package includes Alpha Fibonacci tool with entry stops and targets, real-time scanner on multiple instruments. So right now I would bring to your attention scanner, and you would take a look on the scanner, and with a single click I would add the instrumental multiple. It's not a problem. And if I want to add 10, 15, not a problem. It is not something I would recommend you do in day trading, but can you scan multiple charts using the scanner? Of course. Single click, it's done. Scans for setup with system. Alpha Fibonacci scanner template, pivot finder, no gap range bars, and range bar maker all included. And that's how scanner looks. But always, I will encourage you, become the master of one. Because traders like David trade at different hours, oil open, gold open, and US session open, which are different hours, trading 4 instruments. Trade recognition tool is also included, as you saw in multiple examples. Entry, stop, and target placed on the chart for you. Customizable email and phone alert options also can be set up. And that's long on oil future. Entry, stop, and targets. All you have to do, buy from Alpha Fibonacci support, sell from Alpha Fibonacci resistance using institutional trends and power, which is what we identify every morning before trading room open. So here's one more example on oil. This is oil in 2016 at ultimate bottom. Ultimate bottom where intelligent trader looks to buy oil. So when oil starts rallying, no one is surprised. Here's oil next. 2 years later, oil more than doubles in value. What do you see ahead? Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. So when oil starts selling off from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, no one should be surprised. And when oil starts crashing, it's expected. When 64 is out. Oil in free fall. Ultimate top identified on oil. So if we take a look on oil in the last 2 weeks, this is what played out on oil. We knew that oil heading to 15, and as you can see below, 0. 15 is out, oil in free fall. And that's historical event on oil. It was impossible to believe that oil will be at negative, but that's exactly what played out. Never seen before the negative number at reversal zone. But that's where oil skyrocketed from, correct? From negative 32. Breathtaking, shocking, negative numbers on oil. And that's the power of the system, traders. As now oil rallying, contract on oil has changed. And that's power of reversal zone. When you have opportunity to buy ultimate low, sell ultimate high with institutions and not against them. And that's a critical part of your trading. Quality system with mentor and live classes. And this is very, very common. So this is very important part of the website where you can actually listen to students. Every week we're updating podcasts. We have wait list of students. So if you come to the website and you click on podcasts, we are uploading new podcasts every week. Stories of traders, from beginner to hedge fund manager. You will listen to someone who, just like you, been struggling for many, many years until trader came to Fibonacci Trading Institute. Every trader unique. You've seen posts from Brett, from Ken, from Emmanuel, from Pablo, from David. All of this latest podcasts. More and more coming every single week. Every trader, different instrument, different account. Options, stocks, Forex, hedge fund managers. Those are the traders who are serious about trading. All you have to do, make an effort, as these traders do. We already analyzed the package, and that's the system. So if you're ready to trade with consistency, confidence, precision, and clarity, with Alpha Fibonacci Trade Recognition tool and multi-market scanner, system available with software for NinjaTrader 8 or without software for any platform. Software came out for the first time in 2019. System had been available without software for the previous 9 years. So if you listen to podcasts, you can do so here, as I've shown you. And if you would like to see thousands of videos on our YouTube channel, you can find it all on the website. Click on YouTube and you can be taken to YouTube channel where you will see latest thousands and thousands of videos that shows power of Alpha Fibonacci system. As of right now, it's 3,000 subscribers on YouTube channel. The other important part of the website is reviews, where you can listen and view the stories of students all over the world. Some students submitting videos with their journey, with their success, with their struggles, with what they done. Brett tried for 20 plus years. With Sanjeev, I'm meeting tomorrow for mentoring session. You will see his email. Steve, emergency room physician, trading Bitcoin. Became full-time trader, investing in oil. Quit medical profession. Add trading options. You can also see all of this testimonials on our Facebook page. And very important information if you will decide to join us in detail on the products. Currently, we're offering the biggest discount ever, the most popular package, group mentoring with Ninja 8. $2,000 off from every single package. Software is extremely powerful, showing you institutional levels. Lifetime license with live classes, video library, modules that you can view 24/7 with discount of $2,000. So, other options such as private mentoring, 6 months that includes all group classes, or group mentoring for any platform is available as well, all on the product section. So here's more from traders. This is email from Sanjeev, just arrived. As he says, he closed his trades at DP1 trading 2 lots. There is not a losing trade this month. And what is the most important part of this email, traders? Please tell me. He trades maximum 30 minutes. And as he says, you will see that one day that I did not trade because I was not in the right frame of mind, which shows I have made a shift in the way I look at trading. Thanks to you. Cannot wait to restart mentoring and class sessions again. So do the math. This is 2 lots. So if you're trading 10 lots, how many trades do you need? Not many. And this is a huge mindset shift that happens in all of our live classes that concentrate on quality trading. This is huge. This email was very emotional. March 13th, in the middle of crisis, Emmanuel brought his beautiful Jennifer to the course. They have 2 newborn babies. As she says, your Fibonacci system has given us hope and another layer of comfort in these challenging months, especially with the virus. To be able to earn income from home with less social exposure is critical for us and our little ones. Stories like this is the reason I live and breathe what I do. If these students can do it, so can you. Pablo, complete beginner trader. He's coming back tomorrow. He was stopping by to say hi, as he says. It seems incredible that I can trade by myself in a day when market lost more than 70 points and I managed to make 11 points, and I think when I started I did not know what an engulfing candle was. Complete beginner trader, now top step trader, trading with success rate of 90%. It keeps coming every day, non-stop. Brad. Tried for 20 years. You can view his video on website. Started with 25K account. He is well above by now, above 400,000. Started with 25K. 2019 reached 111K. Do the math. He's a rock. He's constantly supporting other traders. 20 years in the work until Brett came to Fibonacci Trading Institute. And that's the emails. As Mark has says, has been the best training in trading I've ever had. A scary winning Forex competition. I can go non-stop. Thousands and thousands and thousands emails in the last 10 years. William is a legend. Retired attorney in Florida. I have literally novels and novels from Bill. As he says at the bottom, I'm happy to state that the cost of this program is the best investment I have made in a very long time. And that's the reason I love what I do. Jerry spent over okay. On all the other courses, he was so skeptical, but when he saw the invitation to the wedding from my student posting on website, he said, I'm sold. Jerry brought his friend to the course. Keeps calling me, are you releasing new software? I'm ready. This student's signing up for all future strategies and future software I will release. As Steve says, my 12-year search for consistent trading profitability is over. This means the world. And that's Alpha Fibonacci system. So if you will decide to join us, please do not hesitate to call me. I love to speak with you. But first, review the information here, and feel free to call or email me 925-257-4298. Thank you, traders, so much. Just to show you what the membership area looks like, traders. When you log into membership area, you will see modules with videos, video libraries, software download, software videos. So I'm clicking on modules with videos. This is what you will see. Module 1, Alpha Fibonacci tool, settings. Thinkorswim Fibonacci settings, TradeStation Fibonacci settings. I would say at least 30% of students on different other platforms. So, software for NinjaTrader 8. If you would like to trade without software, that option available for you. And that's where you see videos. How to insert the tool, how to operate the software. Module 1 devoted to this. And when you start moving lower, you start expanding your knowledge all the way to mindset and lifestyle, where huge shifts and changes happen when traders take this course. After all, I utilize my Johns Hopkins experience when I worked in research and psychiatry on traders' mindset and lifestyle and overall well-being. Software for NinjaTrader 8. Option without software for any platform. It's the least expensive option you can see on the bottom. System without software available for the last 10 years. It includes Alpha Fibonacci proprietary strategies, 3 months live classes, video library, and live guided trading. Rule-based proprietary method known for its simplicity and precision and can be traded without software on any platform. 3 months of live classes, video library, modules, and classes. And that's 4 different options. You want it all, you want private mentoring. As of right now, waiting list only. I am overbooked until next year. So if you're planning to sign up for private mentoring, you need to call me. Speak with me first. Only if you are very flexible, it's a potential. If you are not very flexible, sorry. At this time, I am overbooked. So, you want to trade Forex? As you saw, students winning Forex competition, trading on MT4, trading on MT5. You are on MT4 and MT5, you should choose option without software. That's it. Software for Ninja 8. As you can see here, about Alpha Fibonacci method, all the details, as I explained. I don't want to focus on myself. You can review more and more here if you missed the beginning of webinar where we discussed briefly about the method and about myself. So as you can see, traders, on our YouTube channel, you have thousands and thousands of videos for the last 10 years. So in summary, if you are serious about quality trading, I look forward to working with you. This is lifetime licensed semi-automated system with multi-market scanner trade recognition software for day options and position trading on all instruments. You can trade anything you choose on any trading platform from Ninja, TradeStation, Thinkorswim, MT4, MT5, Interactive Brokers, Sierra Charts, and many other platforms. And if you would like to see how students price the course, pretty please, as you will see in many videos, we have an open forum. Thank you, traders. It's been my joy and pleasure being with you. Any questions? Please pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298. info@fibinstitute.com. Be well, stay well. Thank you so much, everyone.